is the day. Yep, it's the day of planting, and I'm so happy. All the family came with me to plant many various vegetations. I am so excited for this. My kid, mom, wife, and where is my dad? Here, there, somewhere, I don't know. And this is some of the plants. And there they are, something like pepper, tomato, cucumber, eggplants, and many things. Where are the others? Here there are. I know we didn't sift every dirt, but it's the day. It been rained last day. Today we are going to plant anything that we had here, and we will sift the other parts of the gardens. But now it's time to plant, and now we have to make some froze here, something like this, all the part, and make it ready for planting. Wow, this is beautiful. Time for eggplants. Okay. One part of the garden completed. Let's go for the next one. And my dad is shoveling. I'm gonna help him right now. what are you doing? Kitty, kitty, kitty. Yeah, she can do it. All the time she's asking me, is it good? Is it good? I'm telling her, yeah, yeah, that's good. Carry on. Let me take care of this. She's trying to help me and using her leg, but
don't know if I can find my way out.
it's time for the tomatoes. These tomatoes looks like unhealthy, but we're gonna plant them and water them as soon as we can. So we hope they get better. Yeah, the others came. They're a little late, but they finally show up. We're almost done. It was supposed to, many relations came here, but they didn't show up, and they just my sister. Everybody are working here. There are lots of rosemary. They bought. Thank you, man. This is cherry tomato, little tomato, and that's everybody doing something. He's making the rose. Dad is planting. I'm gonna water the plants. Yep. I'm gonna use this piece of music here, put it here, and then I'm gonna throw the water or something like this on this because I don't want to make the hole in the soil. Let's try and see. Yep.
Everything is growing up tight. is rising over me. The water is rising. I'm reaching. It's coming. I'm reaching. The water is rising over me. I'm reaching out. I'm reaching. It's coming in. The water is rising over me. I'm reaching out. I'm reaching. It's coming.
And my sister is trying to plant rosemary.
باریکه فقط آب بیاد زیره.
I'm gonna pick this cover up from the fertilizer, that if the rain comes, they are gonna be ready for the other plantings. So actually did cover it to keep them from raining, but now I need them to get the rain, and they're going to be ready to planting. I'm gonna use this cover for these firewoods and keep them safe from the raining for now. It's heavy. Okay. It's kind of good right now. Let's continue with planting. The soil are dry and it tears apart when we take them out. So let's just a little. And it's all done, and everybody is behind the camera. They're watching me. This is really beautiful. I want to show you this moment that we are working on. There it is. Yes, we made half of the garden and half left, but we will take care of it later. It took lots of time. Thanks to my father, he helped me, and we did it. Thank you for watching.